Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share with you my favorite tea. This is the vanilla Chamorro tea from Harney Sons. Now, I just love creamy black teas. They are like a delicious treat I can have all the time. This vanilla Chamorro is so satisfying. You really can taste the vanilla, but it's not overpowering. It's nostalgic almost. And with milk, it is just such a soothing drink. Now, I'm a very impatient drinker, and I'll usually steep this tea for about a minute and I'll still get a great taste. Now, there are usually 20 packets of tea in each container, and that usually lasts me about a month, depending on how much I have tea. And the bags are also very cute and fancy looking, so if you ever have a tea party, these will be so pretty to lay on your table for your guests. I have had no issues ordering this from Amazon. It always comes with the tea fresh and untampered with. So I really recommend it. And now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.